All right, 12:18, and we are getting a check of the forecast. Hey, John.
Hey, Jody. I got a lot of stuff going on here as far as what we're expecting for this afternoon. I'm going to nerd out a little bit here because this is a really cool setup. I know it doesn't look like much. The cloud cover to the northeast. Right now, there's a boundary right over the state of Iowa. And what I mean by that is it's a cold front. That's differential air masses right on top of us. A little cooler to the north, a little bit warmer, more moisture to the south. So yeah, you're definitely feeling that humidity here in central Iowa and further to the south and southwest, but the warm air rides over that cold front. It cools and condenses the moisture, and that's why we see a lot of cloud cover over the northeastern portion of the state, stretching from Fort Dodge to Iowa City and pretty much all north from there. Now, we're not seeing a lot of activity right now. We did see some showers and thunderstorms fire along this boundary earlier this morning. I'm expecting more of the same as we dig deeper into the afternoons. That's topping the weather headlines. Afternoon storm chances are still expected, even though it's a quiet start right now. Extended heat starting as we get into late week going into the weekend. And you know, when there's two temperature icons, it's going to be a hot one. Humidity is going to be climbing. It's going to be sticking around as we even get into the middle part of next week. So it's going to be an extended period for those warmer and hotter conditions. But right now, let's talk about the storm chances going hour by hour through the remainder of this afternoon. Notice those shades of green. That cold front is just inching further south. So it is going to cause for some more of those shower and storm chances over parts of central Iowa, like here, Polk County in the metro, and then continuing to make its way further to the south. So even RAGBRAI riders and going ahead and towards Knoxville, between Winterset and Knoxville, still a chance for those showers and storms later this evening. And as we even go in overnight, it's a very slow moving cold front. As long as that is over us, we are going to be looking at those extended rain chances going into very early tomorrow morning. But then we're done with it. It's going to be pushing to the south. We are going to be clearing up, seeing more of the sun, and also that'll start the heat up. We're going to be looking at those warmer temperatures really moving in as we get into Friday, and yes, for Saturday and Sunday. For today, this is what I'm talking about, a little bit more of that air mass differential, that boundary, a little cooler to the north, low 80s, even talking about some 70s further north and northeast. Much warmer to the south and southwest, seeing mid to upper 80s and even close to 90 to the southwestern edge of the state. For tonight, we are going to still be looking at a difference. We're seeing low 60s, even upper 50s, a little bit cooler, less humid, far northern Iowa. But for here in central Iowa, I'm looking at mid to upper 60s, still going to be a humid start as you get to your Thursday morning. Here's your 8-day forecast. Dry throughout Thursday. Keep the umbrella nearby, even though we're not seeing that activity yet. Still a chance as we head deeper into the afternoon, drying out even for Friday. Staying dry for Saturday and Sunday. Highs back in the 90s. That heat's going to continue with some minor rain chances to start next week.